how to grow your photography or filmmaking business with the new ChatGPT Open AI. What's up, guys? Jordan Correces here, co-owner of the WLMA, the most result-based business mastermind for wedding professionals worldwide. We help a lot of wedding photographers and filmmakers scale to the six-figure and multiple six-figure level. And I'm not sure if you guys have been seeing what's been going on with the new ChatGPT Open AI that is out right now. I've been playing around with it and it is absolutely insane. It is extremely intelligent and is going to be a huge game changer when it comes to blogging, content creation, coding, and especially content creation and blogging is huge for the photography and filmmaking industry if you want to grow your business, if you want to get more attention and even up-level your SEO. And I'm going to demo exactly how ChatGPT OpenAI can be used for your business as well. And please, before I show you this, hit that like button, subscribe button, notification bell so you don't miss out on more of our content. Let's dive into it. So I'm on ChatGPT right now. If you go on chat.openai.com, you can access this exact same thing. And ChatGPT, it is literally AI, and it's very much like Google, but all the answers that you get are coming from AI. And it's incredibly fast, it's incredibly intelligent, and I'm super surprised and shocked with the types of answers that I'm coming in. So let's say you're a wedding photographer or a wedding filmmaker, and you want to rank your website higher on Google, by writing blog posts, get a log blog posts with keywords that not only brings value to your potential customers, but also helps rankings with Google. Or maybe you just want to have more ideas for content on Instagram, TikTok, Reels, etc. You can get really creative with this. I'm going to show you exactly how we can do this, the types of answers that you can get. So let's say we want to do weekly blogs on our website and we are stuck with content. We're not very good writers and we want to figure out what to do. Let's say you're a wedding photographer and I'm going to ask ChatGPT on the search, write a blog for newly engaged couples planning their wedding. And immediately it's writing an entire blog with tips on how to plan their wedding day, which is absolutely insane. Now, when it comes to this, and when you're writing blogs, if you want, you can pause the video and you can read what it writes. And very often it's extremely impressive. But you don't just want to copy and paste this blog onto your website. Google will know if you copied and paste a blog from ChatGPT right onto your website, and it won't allow that. So what you want to do, one, this is going to give you a ton of ideas, a ton of inspiration, and then you can make it your own. And let's say, because you don't want to copy ChatGPT, you want to just use it as inspiration to make it your own. We can say right here, write it again, but more concise in bullet points. And now it's creating that whole entire blog and writing that blog into bullet points. So now you can just take those bullet points and write your own blog. So you're not copying ChatGPT and not having any issues with Google. I'm gonna experiment a little bit more. Write it again, but with keyword SEO friendly keywords for wedding photography. So now it's rewriting that entire blog, but it's using more SEO friendly keywords so you can actually rank higher on Google. Like, I'm not going to be reading these whole entire blog posts because I want to make this a short video. If you want, pause the video. But if you're not understanding how absolutely insane this technology is, I don't know what to say to impress you. But that is crazy. I want to take this a step further. Wedding. I was playing around with this, and I was like, okay, wedding planning tips. Maybe that's kind of generic. What about wedding posing tips? What if you are trying, or maybe what about local venues in your area? So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna type in write an Instagram post with the top 10 wedding venues in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Now it's writing an Instagram mini blog post of the top 10 venues in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I live in Chattanooga, Tennessee. These are actual venues in Chattanooga, Tennessee, which is absolutely insane. The Warehouse Pavilion, the Barn at High Points, the Choo Choo, the Hunter Museum, the Dwell Hotel. These are a lot of places that I've been and that I've shot at as well. And it just did an entire blog. And let's say, this is for a blog post. You don't want to get in trouble by Google by copying anything from ChatGPT. I'm going to say, oh, look at this. It even put freaking hashtags in there, like hashtags for you to use. This is insane. I'm going to say, write it in more concise bullet points. So now, let's say if you don't want to just copy and you want to just use this as inspiration, it just wrote an entire post, that entire blog post in bullet points. Let's take this a little bit further. So let's see how good let's see how good this AI is at photography. So I'm gonna say, write a blog post on the top posing tips for engaged couples. So it has an intro, a hook. Number one, relax and be yourself. Number two, take some time to warm up. Number three, try a variety of poses. Like, these are very general stuff. As a photographer, you should be able to pose. You should be able to give much more in-depth tips than this, but still super impressive if you are having writer's block and you need some tips to kind of figure out what to write for a blog post or, a TikTok post or something. I'm going to try this again. Let's try write a TikTok post of the top engagement session locations in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I'm doing Chattanooga, Tennessee because I know this area and I want to see if it's actually hitting real areas that I'm familiar with. Look at this. Locations: the Tennessee Riverwalk, Walnut Street Bridge, the Bluff at Art District. These are all super popular locations. Obviously, they're not, it seems like it's not going to be able to pick the kind of secret locations that you as a photographer that should know. But going through all these posts, you should already be able to see that ChatGPT is going to be a huge game changer when it comes to making ads, when it comes to blogging, when it comes to making content for your social media. It can even code. I'm not going to ask any coding questions. I don't know anything about code, so I won't be able to tell. But this is going to be absolutely huge for the content and SEO and really getting more work out there. Let's play around with this a little. What are the top SEO keywords to use in Chattanooga, Tennessee? Oh, I forgot to put something. Let me change this to top SEO keywords for wedding photographers in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Top SEO keywords for wedding photographers in Chattanooga, Tennessee. And it's just giving you a list of the top keywords that you want to use. I'm sorry, I'm like super excited about this. I think this technology is absolutely insane, kind of scary, but absolutely insane with the possibilities that you can do with this if you are being creative, and using it for the things that you need help with. I want to play with this a little bit more. Write a Facebook ad for newly engaged couples looking for a wedding photographer. Attention, newly engaged couples in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Are you in search of a wedding photographer to capture the special moments of your big day? Look no further. And it goes on. It's going super detailed here. This is so cool. Really great if you're really having some writer's block, and you're trying to get some ideas to write an ad. I'm gonna push this a little bit further. Write the same thing but less salesy. So now it's rewriting that whole entire ad copy but less salesy. That is so cool. So, anyways, I just want to try one more thing, especially if, you're not looking for a specific topic of a blog or piece of content, but maybe let's say, you're just looking for ideas for blogs or content, etc. So, I'm going to ask ChatGPT, what are some blog ideas for a wedding photographer trying to get newly engaged clients? Let's see what it has. Here are some blog ideas: the importance of choosing the right photographer, tips for finding the perfect wedding photographer style for your budget, questions to ask a wedding photographer during a consultation, the benefits of an engagement photo shoot, top locations, the value of hiring a professional wedding photographer, benefits of a first look photo session, how to choose your wedding photography package. How about blog ideas for engaged couples? That way it's just not catered to photography. How to choose the perfect wedding venue, tips for creating your wedding guest list, the pros and cons of hiring a wedding planner. Man, you can go so far and so deep with this. I'm just touching the surface so more photographers and filmmakers know how they can utilize this tool. So anyways, this is how you can use the new Chat GPT to grow your photography or film making business. You can use it to find keywords to help elevate your SEO. You can use it to create blogs to elevate SEO and give value to your prospects. I don't recommend just copying what it says and putting it on Google. Google won't allow you to do that, but use it more as inspiration. If you feel like you're getting stuck, if you're running out of ideas, it comes up with entire blogs or bullet points of blogs in an instant, which is going to be so useful for you. I mean, the new AI technology is here and it's just in the beginning, and it's just going to get better and better. And if you want to get the extra edge in your photography or filmmaking business, make sure you are using it creatively. Anyways, guys, hope you find this video helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more of our content. And if you are looking for more free resources to scale your wedding photography or filmmaking business, check out the description of the video. I'm gonna have plenty of resources for you there as well.